Hello, and welcome to another eRIS Quick Start Guide video. In this video, you will learn to manually approve tags in the Review and Approve portlet in eRIS. Navigate to the Review Approve page on the eRIS navigation bar. Located on the Review Approve page are both the Date Selector and the Data Validation portlets. The Data Validation portlet displays all the validation batches available to you determined by the privileges set within each tag's workflow. Use the Date Selector to select a duration and start or end date of the batches you'd like to see. Click Send. The portlet shows the days within the range queried with a sum of batch tasks available for completion on each day. Validation batches open for review or approve are listed below the calendar. Only the batches which require action from you are shown. If you want to view other batches, change the list from My Tasks to another status like Pending or Completed. Click the Approve button to the left of a validation batch to be reviewed. The portlet will show the current data for the tag. Should the data need to be modified, click the checkbox to the left of the data. Select the Change Values action from the list. This offers the ability to modify data values by percentage or absolute number. 3 new controls will appear to the right of the Actions list that will each allow you to modify the initial value in a different way. First, you can select Arithmetic Operations, which alters values by adding or subtracting an absolute number or percentage. Values can also be multiplied or set equal to a specific number. Selecting Min changes any value lower than a number entered in the box to be equal to the number entered. Selecting Max changes a value greater than a number entered in the box to be equal to the number entered. Changes only apply to the data in the row in which the checkbox is currently checked. Add a comment to explain any modifications you make. Click Go. The modified value, the change value flag, and the comment now appear in the Data Validation portlet. Click Finish Approve to save all changes and move the batch status to Final. The portlet will return to calendar view. Since the batch you approved is now in completed status, it will no longer be shown. For more information about this process, please reference the Print Quick Start Guide for validating tags with manual approval.